Hello student, this is my product rule of differential part 3 by me. Here logarithmic function, inverse functions are taken together. Note, product rule of differential part 1 and other related videos available in description box of the product rule of differential part 3. For this I have to explain other steps also. Please listen, wait and listen. Derivatives of trigonometric function is also very important. One side y, another side is dy by dx. The differential of sin x is cos x, and the differential of cos x is minus sin x, and the differential of tan x is secant square x, and the differential of secant x is secant x tan x, the differential of cosecant x is minus cosecant x cot x, and the differential of cot x is minus cosecant square x. At the same time, you should know the derivatives of inverse function also. The differential of sin inverse x is 1 by root of 1 minus x square, and the differential of cos inverse x is minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square, and the difference of tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square, and the difference of cot inverse x is minus 1 by 1 plus x square, and then the difference of secant inverse x is 1 by x into root of x square minus 1, and the difference of cosecant inverse x is minus 1 by x into x square minus 1. For this you should know the rules of various functions also. First one, the rule of differentiating trigonometric function, difference of power into difference of base into difference of angle. Then second, rules for differentiating algebraic function, differential of power into differential of base. Third one, rules for differentiating exponential function, same function into differential of power. Fourth one, rules for differentiating inverse function, formula application and differential of function after inverse. Fifth one, rules for differentiating logarithm function, that is 1 by function and differential of respective function. Here I have taken one sum, that is product rule of differentiation. Differentiate y is equal to log of 2x plus 5 into secant inverse of 10x plus 1. First one is called as u, another one is called as v. Here it is in the uv form. Here function after inverse is called as 10x plus 1. So now no doubt the problem is in the uv form. So dy by dx equal to u into dv by dx plus v into dv by dx. First we have to find dv by dx and dv by dx. dv by dx. dv by dx means what? V is called as v, secant inverse of 10x plus 1. This is called as v function. dv by dx, it is in the inverse function. So what is the rule applied for inverse function? Apply the formula and differentiate the function after inverse. That's why what is the secant inverse x derivative is telling? 1 by x into root of x square minus 1. So in the place of x I am substituting 10x plus 1. So it becomes 10x plus 1 into root of 10x plus 11 whole square minus 1 into differential of that is the function after inverse, that is 10x plus 1. The differential of 10x plus 11 is called as 10. Okay. After this we have to find du by dx. What is u? U is log of 2x plus 5. U is log 2x plus 5. What is the differential rule for the logarithm function? 1 by function. That is why 1 by 2x plus 5 into difference of respective function, that is 2. That becomes 2 by 2x plus 5. Then we have to find the dy by dx. dy by dx formula is what? That is u dv by dx plus b du by dx. U is what? U is what? U is log of 2x plus 5 into dv by dx is what? 10 by 10x plus 11 root of 10x plus 11 whole square. That I have to put here. Then plus v du. V is what? V is secant inverse 10x plus 11 into what? du by dx, that is 2 by 2x plus 8. So it becomes 2 secant inverse of 10x plus 11 and 2x plus 5. Now taking the LCM, what is here? 10x plus 7 is the LCM. 10x plus 11 is root of 10x plus 11 whole square minus 1, 2x plus 5 is the LCM. So apply the LCM, then the function becomes like this. So the problem is over, student. That's all. So again here another important thing, 10 into 2x plus 5 gives 20x plus 50, and then here 10x plus 11 into 2 is there, so it becomes 20x plus 22. Now the problem is over. Please subscribe my video and press the bell icon so that my videos will be updated. Thank you very much.